Hi Oily Fam! In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up someone in Young Living as a new member. So you go to youngliving.com and here you select the country. So for here, I'm going to select Philippines. Then you click Become a Member. So before signing up someone, you have to make sure that you already have your member ID with you. Now here you enter the country, Philippines. Language is English. Then here, who introduced you to Young Living? So if you are going to sign up a new member under your organization or ikaw yung nag-invite sa kanya, then you click I was referred by a member and have their ID numbers. Very important ito if you don't want to miss your commission or if you don't want na iba ang magiging enroller ng new member mo. Kasi this one, si Young Living ang pipili kung sino ang magiging enroller or sponsor niya. So here you type in your member ID 130123552. This is my enroller ID. Ang difference ng sponsor at enroller ID ay, for example, you want to earn the enroller bonus. So you have to make sure that ikaw yung enroller ID. Yung sponsor is ikaw yung enroller, but you're gonna assign your new member to someone who will help you journey with your new member. So we will discuss this in a different topic that's called stocking or reconstructing your organization. So for here, since um, for this video purposes lang, yung sponsor at enroller ID natin ay same. Okay? Kasi you have at least 30 days to change the sponsor ID for free. Okay? So yan, continue. And then here, grabe, hello for the very fast internet connection in the Philippines. So here, these are the starter kits. So dito na page, you will see the different offer ni Young Living. So we have the premium experience sets in different diffusers. Tapos here, sa specialty kits, makikita mo yung ibang offer ni Young Living. Okay? So we're gonna make, kasi meron din tayong option, build your own, meaning you can select your Young Living products provided dapat at least 100 PV yung i-order mo. PV is personal volume. So each product ni Young Living has a corresponding personal volume. So in this video, pipiliin natin si Premium Experience Set with Charcoal Diffuser. Now, we also want to avail the monthly Essential Rewards promo. Yung promo natin ngayon, I will check here. Young Living, I'm gonna show you. So today is May 26. Yung promo ni Young Living this month ay papakita ko sa inyo para lang may idea kayo. So for this month, ito yung promo ni Young Living sa Essential Rewards. We have the free Aroma Globe na portable diffuser and the Eucalyptus globulus. Ito yung ibang freebies. But for example, ikaw, new member, yung isa-sign up mo, yung premium experience set niya ay 100 PV na. So that means kulang ka na lang ng 10 PV. Wait lang, ano ko lang to kasi nag-detect siya. Meaning kulang ka na lang ng 10 PV to avail the free diffuser ni Young Living for this month. Meaning, if you're going to order at least one more essential oil, at least 10 PV, you will get the free Aroma Globe and the Eucalyptus globulus, meaning makukuha mo yung perks for this month. So, at dalawa na yung diffuser mo. So, kukunin natin si charcoal ulit. And here, i-enroll natin sa Essential Rewards. So, dito, do you want to use Premium Experience Set as your first ER order? So, we will click yes kasi nga, we want to avail the free Aroma Globe. So, i-click mo yung build your order, tas mag-add ka lang ng product na less than 10 PV. I mean, sorry, ng at least 10 PV. So, dito, i-add ko lang si whitening toothpaste because this is my favorite toothpaste. Ayan. So, makikita mo na nag 115 PV ka na. So, check lang natin. So, since step 2, ayan, i-order na natin. Tapos, i-yes mo lang to. Step 2, yes. Step 3, set up your monthly rewards, ER order. So, dapat, sabi dito, monthly essential rewards shipments and billing will begin in June. So, this is something that you need to take note. So, once you avail the freebie for this month, you will also have to set up an automatic order for next month. So for this video lang, I'm just gonna select the Ningxia Red Essential Rewards Kit. Should you want to cancel this order sa next month kasi nag-change yung mind mo, ayaw mo nang mag-ER, make sure to cancel it before the date na mapoprocess siya. Kasi if not, this will be automatically sent to you, and then mahihirapan kang mag-cancel, mag-credit back sa'yo. So this, since you're the one who opt to get this order, then you should also be responsible in canceling your essential rewards. So 2 days before siyang magpa-process, mag-i-email si YL sa'yo. So to add additional products enrollment, click add more products. So kahit nag-add na tayo dito, pwede kasing mag-add tayo dito or dito mag-add. Try lang natin para makita talaga natin. So since nag-add na, hindi na siya nag-appear. So here, we're just gonna put our name. So ano lang ito, for mock-up lang, sandalo. Okay, 1, 2, 3, Cebu. Sample lang to. Province, Cebu. Ayan, zip code. Tapos email address, kerte@gmail.com. Okay, ano lang to. Mock-up 21. So, kailangan maglagay ng number. Here, username. So, abc.sandalo. Password, sample, sunshine. Ayan. Tapos, PIN. This one, very important. The moment na maglagay ka ng number dito, example sa akin, 1, 2, 3, 4. But wag 1, 2, 3, 4 yung ipin nyo kasi madali lang siyang mag-guess. Very important to. In fact, you should not give your 4-digit PIN to anyone. Dapat sa'yo lang siya. So, dapat ilagay mo siya sa notes na madali mo lang ma-remember, or you have to make sure na ma-memorize mo siya para kasi yung digit PIN, this is what the customer service or YL core team will ask you if you have concerns sa membership mo. Inuman tayo ng tubig. So for example, magko-contact ka sa live help or sa customer service, you will be providing your member ID and your PIN. So make sure to keep it handy. Huwag mong kakalimutan ang PIN mo. So yung PIN mo ay pinaka-important sa YL. Here sa commission processing information, pipili ka kung individual or business. So if you want to grab the opportunity na mag-earn sa Young Living, you have to have a TIN. Kasi if wala kang TIN, hindi mapaprocess yung commission mo. Okay? So, yan. Agree and continue. So, example, wala ka pang PIN. TIN. So, leave mo lang siya. But the moment na you want to start earning sa Young Living, then make sure na you provide your TIN before you sign up a new member. So, every time you sign up a new member, you get $75 minus tax. So, that is already a big amount, especially when you're just casually sharing. So here, ilagay mo shipping information. We have options, standard delivery. If you're from Davao, pick up. It's wala siyang bayad. Easy, wala siyang bayad. Sa Cebu, 156 plus tax, usually 175 ito. Same with Baguio. Special events is zero if you order sa road shows ng mga leaders. Then, put your card and then go. Then, ano na din siya. Just check out. So that's how you order, or that's how you sign up a new member in Young Living. Thanks for watching.